How to hide friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide friends on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to hide friends on Snapchat, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch a Snapchat application here. And once you launch a Snapchat app, you're gonna see this type of interface where let's say that you have your friends list and then you want to come to your friends. You'll be able to see a list of your friends and you want to hide this friend so that other people who are on your friends list will not be able to view it, right? Well, do not worry, because Snapchat friends are already hidden by default. You don't have to hide it. To give you an example, let's say that you have a certain friend, right? So I'll just go to that friend's profile page. Even if I go to their profile page, I can see their snap score and so on, but I can't see their friends list. That is because Snapchat friends are already hidden by default. Snapchat will not let anyone know who are there in your friends list. So that's simply how it works. So if you're talking about hiding friends from someone else, then you don't need to do that, because friends are already hidden on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.